Hello friends, our story starts here with a girl. This girl once found a paper.
Oh, what is that? It seems to be a paper in there. Oh, but what is this? It seems to be very old. Huh.
Hi there, here's a problem that you must solve to find the answer of the universe. An accountant office buys a computer for $4,500. After 5 years, the value of the computer is expected to be $300. For accounting purposes, the business uses linear depreciation to assess the value of the computer at a given time. This means that V is the value of the computer at time t. Then a linear equation is used to relate V and t. What are you going to do?
It's my duty now to solve this problem. Let's see what I can do about it.
Went with her friend.
Hi, look what I found. I found a problem.
Let's try to solve it.
Yes, that's a great idea. I have no idea how to do it, but let's try it.
So these girls try hours and hours and hours, but they finally couldn't solve it.
I don't understand.
I can't do it.
But you know what we can do?
What is it?
I've heard of this magician that it's very good at math. I think we can go with him and look for him and ask him for help.
Huh? That's a good idea.
Yeah, I've heard he knows everything.
The girls find a map that showed the magician's location, and they went to look for him.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay. Found him.
Oh,
Girls, I see you come with a problem to me. My ball, that is not a ball, tells me that you will have to pass through a lot of difficulties to solve it. I know you will solve it, but once you think you have the answer, come back to me and we'll check if that is correct. To solve this problem, you'll have to use all the abilities you earned with Teacher Marilu. And it won't be easy, but you'll get it. Girl found an explanation.
well, first we must find a linear equation. And they're already giving me some information. So we have point A, which represents 0 years and the price of the computer at that time, and point B, that is after 5 years it will cost $300. For this now we have to find the slope, which we must use the equation that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And if we substitute, we have 300 minus 4,500 over 5 minus 0, which is equal to minus 840. Then we substitute with a point in the general equation, which is, for example, we shall take point B, and we have 300 is equal to minus 840 times 5 plus B. And now we must know what is the value of B. Therefore, we should do this. And this times this is minus 4,200. And now we pass it over here, and we have that B is equal 4,500. Now we have to keep the original equation form, which will be V is equal to the slope, that is minus 840 t, that is time, plus 4,500. Some steps on how do we do it. First, we need to analyze the problem. Now find the variables and its values, that would be x and y. Then we need to find the slope, showed as m, which equation is this one I said before. Yep. Then we need to find b with the given points. Then we need to obtain the slope-intercept equation, that is this, y equals mx plus b, and replace the values. And finally, we replace b in y and c in x in the final formula.
That is, in this graph, means how will the line move, upwards or downwards. And this means how much will the certain quantity increase or decrease. In this case, is the volume represents the money in the graph.
You are here.
Oh, is it you, the great wizard?
Yes, I am, lady.
I see you've solved almost all of the problems. And as a reward, I shall help you to solve the last one.
Really?
Yes.
Oh my god, thank you!
Final problem states that what will the price be after 4 years from the day of purchase? In this case, we need to do is substitute the new date in the formula b equals minus 840t plus 4,500. So the t value will now be 4, and we have b equals minus 840 times 4 plus 4,500. So we solve it to equal v to 0, and we got that v is equals to $1,140. And that is the price of the computer after 4 years.
Oh, we solved it, and now we have the answer of the universe. Thank you, dear wizard.
No problem.